Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today I will be trying my first install. I will install my first wig today, and this video is sponsored by Temu. They have sent me a wig and I'm about to install it today for the first time. Listen, I am not a pro at this. This is my first time, so please don't judge me. So if you want to see the outcome of this video, as you know, please stay tuned, stay connected. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. So without further ado, let us get right into it. First thing first, let's talk about this wig. This is a 14-inch kinky straight wig. It is a 4x4 closure. It has a beautiful texture, guys. I am telling you, it's amazing. Look at the interior. It has a band inside, also with some clips, as you know, secures the hair. And I just can't stop looking at the texture. And you know, it came with a head cap, you know, as usual. And this is just basically what the wig came with. So I am just gonna go dive right into the installment of this wig, because I am really excited to see what it will come out to look like. Because trust me, this is my very first time doing this, and I just want to do what I'm supposed to do. I have all the tools that they used. I hope this will come out as expected. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, so I had installed my wig cap. It is not looking straight. I did it this way because it's just a closure, so nothing perfect. So I am now putting on the wig. I'm trying to secure it with the clips and stuff. So next I am going in, trying to take out a small partition to create my baby hair. Listen, at this point, please don't judge me. I am not good at baby hairs. I am telling you, I thought about this a lot before I do it, because I know I'm not good at it. I am trying my best to see if I can create little baby hair as the girls do. So please don't come after me when you see my baby hairs. So as I see, taking out a small portion, not much. Man, right here was getting really hard for me. I was trying my best to see how I can take it out without, you know, affecting anything else. And I realized it's of a hassle for me. So what I'm gonna do is just to go ahead and cut that lace, right? Then do the baby hair afterwards, because I am not having it right now. I'm trust me, I am so hot doing this. I feel exhausted for some reason. So I'm going in and I'm cutting the lace. I'm trying my best to ensure I cut it to the best of my ability. Trust me, I don't know how you guys do this, but trust me, doing this for the first time is a lot of work. See, now I'm going back in. I'm trying to get that baby hair out because it's not working out for me. I'm trying my best to take it out. So I had cut the lace. Now I'm trying to see if I can get this thing done properly. Okay, so the baby hair is giving me a hard time. So what I'm about to do now is to lay the lace. I am using my got to be glue, or I should say got to be spray, yes, for my lace, guys. As I said, I'm not a pro. I don't know, but I see where they have used this product and it has worked perfectly, so I'll be using this. And I'm telling you, I'm still having a hard time doing this. I don't know how you guys do this, but thumbs up. So I am now using the band to, like, what they do use this for, okay, to lay the lace, right, to keep it down so that it can, you know, lay properly. So I am just gonna give it some time, maybe listen to some music while it dries, right? So stay tuned. Okay, so finally I had done that. So what I'm about to do now, just lay the partition so it can keep flat. Looking at the hair, guys, it is so beautiful, but I had done something wrong. I shouldn't have put this much on it because it gives off a shiny, or I should say silky look. I did not like how it turned out with this wax look, or I should say silky look. It was too silky for me, and the texture, it just showing a difference in the texture of the hair. You know, I messed it up right there, but it's a learning process for me, and I'll know next time not to put this much on it. But the hair in total was looking amazing. The texture, I'm telling you, I am in love with the texture. If I should do a reinstallment of this type of hair, I'm telling you, I would slay, because then I would know what not to do from what to be done. So yeah, so I have done that. Looking at it, I am so in, look at that, I am so in love with the texture, guys. I spent like 30 minutes just, you know, doing this because I just love seeing the texture. It just beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but it blends so well with my hair, knowing that I am a natural hair girl. It blends so well. I am loving it, trust me. I would recommend you get this hair if you are a natural hair girl and you want something that blends well with your hair. Trust me, this is the right choice. And they have it in different lengths, so if you choose to have it in a longer length, you can. So finally, I am trying to work on the baby hairs. As I said, I left it for last, and yes girl, I did cut that baby hair. So I'm trying to cut the other side to level up, you know. Yep, I did that. So girl, I was nervous at this moment because I was wondering to myself, am I doing the right thing? Alright, so I am going in with my edge brush, yes, and I am trying to lay the baby hairs. I am still having a hustle right here, but I'm using my edge wax to see if I can lay this baby hair. I am still having problems, but I trust myself and I am confident that I will get this thing right. So stay tuned if you want to see the finished look. Okie dokie, it's time for the big reveal. I am nervous at this moment. I am trying all my best to ensure I'm doing the right thing. So I'm trying to press the hair because of the texture. I want it to be more, you know, laid flat. So I was using my iron hot comb, I should say, to see how best I can get the hair straightened, because trust me, at this time I am so exhausted. I couldn't even move to go and get my flat iron to do this part, to show you how anxious I was at this moment. Alright, so it's time for the big reveal, guys. Please don't judge me. And this is what I have done. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray to me! Okay, so at this point my battery was dying, and I was saying to myself, no man, this can't done so. It can't so me have to show no how the hair actually looking next day. I'm telling you, I was looking so lovely in that hair, guys. Trust me, it's slay. I'm telling you, I wrap it up, and trust me, it came out more than I expected it to do. Listen, bear in mind, I am not a pro, and for me to do this, it's a big thing. Trust me, it is a big thing for me to do this. So show you girls some love. Appreciate this video. Let me know what you think about it. How do I do in this video? Let me know your thoughts. All the pro them on the run out, and let me know the thoughts. Let me know what I should have done. Let me know in the comment section. Right? Until next time, remember, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. If you have not liked any of my videos, please show me some love. Until next time, see ya.